Hello, my name is Mariana Sanchez del Castillo. I am from Puebla, Mexico. The teachers in here, they're just phenomenal. Like, they spend all the time you need to finish your paper, to finish your sentence. Whatever it is that you're having a problem with English, they're there for you. No matter what time, no matter how busy they will be, they will put some time for you. The ESL program really improves. Like, you may not notice it, but I mean, over the years, if you come here to St. Mary's, your English will improve a lot. At the beginning, I had a lot of trouble with like writing papers and reading and comprehending what I was reading. But teachers here, they're just amazing teachers, and they will do anything like with different examples and stuff for you to understand it. So today, my English compared to 4 years ago, it's a completely different English. I also came here to play soccer. I've been a player here at St. Mary's University for 4 years. I had the privilege to be the soccer captain for 3 years here at St. Mary's. But as well as doing soccer and getting involved with the community and with the school and with the different sports at school, I was also able to play golf. They have other sports that I would never be able to play in Mexico, like lacrosse or water polo. So that was a great experience for me to try out. So that I really encourage any international student, any student, even if they're from here, to participate in many activities as they can to get involved with the community. The scenery here at St. Mary's is gorgeous. It's amazing. Like, our school is right in the middle of just bluffs all around. And no matter what time of the day it is, no matter what season, maybe winter, spring, fall, you always see those seasons. It's amazing. And you go out and you see deer, rabbits, whatever you want. It's really, really, really pretty campus. And then you can also go downtown and then see the lakes and stuff. So it's a really nice place to just be and study and hang out with your community that you're going to be making for 4 years, 1 year, a semester, whatever you decide to come. I really encourage you guys to come here to St. Mary's University. It's been a wonderful opportunity for me to improve my English, and I'm going to just keep improving it as well.